Hello everybody, Yellowknife, Northwest Territories, Canada, where it is Team Trees Day, and you can see we can't be planting any trees because the ground is absolutely frozen. I'd like to shout out, thank you, MrBeast. This has been a top secret YouTube project. You've probably been seeing a lot of videos popping up about hashtag Team Trees, and all what it is about is MrBeast. He got 20 million subscribers, and he's trying to plant 20 million trees, and he asked all the YouTubers to help out. He asked some of the biggest YouTubers in the world, and then Flight Chops told us. So we're not any close to the biggest YouTubers. But that being said, what's going on? Well, yeah, I think the whole thing is about saving some trees, and we're not ones to talk. Plane Savers is probably the most polluting YouTube channel, at least in Canada.
Echo uniform, since the car continue and I'll get back in a second.
We burn about 15,000 liters of leaded fuel in only 5 days with our DC-3. Yeah, so we're definitely not tree huggers. In fact, season 2, we're basically making a flying gun that burns on leaded fuel that's 100 years old. So I just want to take a quick second just to, be bipartisan, nothing to do with politics. The environment is important because these trees actually, believe it or not, eat DC-3 exhaust for breakfast. So the more DC-3s, the better. The more trees they are, the better. We do not want them to take away our leaded fuel, Avgas 100 low lead. So we need more trees to eat DC-3 exhaust. We're going to need trees to eat Fokker exhaust. We're going to need a lot of trees. So that's why Plane Savers Group, we are supporting Team Trees. We hope you do too. Check out teamtrees.org, because if they take away our leaded fuel, airplanes are going to end up like that right there. That's a Bristol freighter, and it's basically a tree. Let's just go take a look at it right now. Okay, so we're here with the Bristol freighter. Unfortunately, she's now a tree, and we don't want DC-3s to become trees. We want them in the air. So I'm wishing MrBeast and the whole crew, the Team Trees crew, the best of luck. Again, we can't be planting trees in this. So, did you know that Buffalo Airways actually makes most of its profit firefighting? Yes, we protect trees in the summertime. Forest fires are a huge deal, and as everything is changing, forest fires are just going to get bigger, badder, and more powerful. We need to have airplanes that can fight fire. That's what we have. Our Lockheed Electras in California, our P3, yes, Buffalo Airways' P3 is out of the hangar. We should be fighting fire soon in California. And a shout out to a lot of the Plane Saver family that had their homes lost and their lives affected by the big Paradise fire last year in California. Big shout out to Rob Harrison. Yeah, so the forest is super important. Again, folks, it's not just a political thing. And again, I'm the last one that should be talking. We are beer swilling, red meat eating, and again, we're restoring a 100-year-old gun that burns leaded fuel. So yeah, I just want to do my part. This was a top secret experiment, and I'm just proud to be a part of it. Thank you, Flight Chops, for letting us be a part of it. We got some stuff back in the hangar, but this is where we're going to end the episode, because you got to go check out teamtrees.org. Sorry, William couldn't be here. He's actually working, and we're actually out enjoying nature. So get outside this weekend before it gets too cold wherever you are. And again, check out teamtrees.org. MrBeast, I congratulate you, and have a great day.